Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a minute and do a short little video to show you how to share your Canva project. So here is my Canva project. I'll also be linking this to future assignments, so you'll see this again. But if this were my project, I would then go over to the upper right hand corner to the share button. I would click on that. I would go down to share a link to edit and click that little down arrow and make sure that I click off share a link to view. Okay? Once you do that, you want to copy that link and then paste that link into the Google assignment that is in Google Classroom. That's all you have to do. It is as easy as that to share your project link. I hope this helps. Thanks so much.